This ASUS AIO is so sleek it'll replace your laptop, desktop, and maybe your therapist. You're staring at a cluttered desk, juggling a clunky old PC, tangled cables, a flickering monitor, and an ancient webcam that adds 10 years to your face. Every quick task turns into a productivity nightmare. Apps crawl, tabs crash, Zoom stutters, and you're constantly rebooting both your system and your patience. Your focus is gone, your motivation's MIA, and your tech is blocking more than it's helping. You know it's time to upgrade, but between confusing specs and overpriced gear, you're paralyzed. Feels like your own setup is sabotaging you, right? Deadlines are crashing down like Jenga blocks. That video call? You froze mid-sentence. Again. Your files won't sync, your tools won't load, and your boss is definitely judging. Meanwhile, your high-performance desktop is choking on Chrome tabs and fan screaming like it's about to lift off. Stress levels? Off the charts. Burnout? Knocking hard. You're missing moments, losing money, and spiraling into digital despair. You're so done with second-guessing every click, wondering if this time your tech will betray you. It's not just annoying anymore. It's costing you time, energy, and sanity. Meet your digital zen zone. The ASUS A3402WBA WS503T All-in-One, 2024. This isn't just a PC, it's a sleek productivity powerhouse wrapped in touchscreen simplicity. With a 10-core Intel i5 CPU, a jaw-dropping 64GB of DDR4 RAM, and 4TB of SSD storage, this whisper-quiet, ultra-minimalist beast slays lag, clutter, and chaos in one go. The 23.8-inch FHD touchscreen is buttery smooth, while Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 keep you blazing fast and future-ready. Whether it's Zoom calls, multitasking marathons, or family media nights, it handles it all. Setup takes minutes. The clean, compact design clears your space and your mind. Finally, a machine that works with you, not against you. Let's talk benefits. Users say it best: set up in under 5 minutes. Whisper quiet and lightning fast. Perfect for home offices, family use, even light gaming. With AI-powered noise cancelling, Dolby Atmos audio, and a crystal-clear HD cam, your video calls feel pro-level. No fans whining. No spinning wheels. Just smooth sailing, thanks to Intel Iris Xe graphics and ASUS Sonic Master Premium. The Nano Edge touchscreen feels futuristic, and that stand? Designed after the Chinese character Ren, for balance, grace, and desk appeal. Say goodbye to device juggling and hello to streamlined everything. Browsing? Instant. Streaming? Flawless. Workflows? Seamless. This isn't just an AIO, it's a mind-clearing, time-saving, motivation-reviving command center. Still skeptical? Tap the comments, real users are raving about how it changed their everyday grind. Curious? You should be. Ready to ditch the drama? Thousands already upgraded to the ASUS A3402WBA and swear by its power, simplicity, and style. But listen, stock is moving fast. Don't wait for your tech to crash during another crucial call. Act now. Secure yours today. There's no steep learning curve, no clunky setup, just smooth, silky workflow from day one. You've got nothing to lose, and hours of sanity to gain. Hit that link. Own your upgrade. Ditch the old noise. Step into the calm, clean performance you've been waiting for.